Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to vPro. Today I am going to show you some interesting hacks which saves your lots of time while using Google Photos. Today we are going to download and install Google Photos app in your desktop. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser, log in your Chrome browser with your Google account. Then go to Google Apps, select Google Photos. Now Google Photos will open in your browser, but we want in our desktop. So for that, as you can see, small installation button in your URL bar. By clicking here, you can install Google Photos app. If you don't find this button, don't worry. Just go to three dots. Now go to Cast, Save and Share option and click on Install Google Photos. Window will pop up prompting for installation. Just click on Install. As soon as you click, app will automatically install in your system and it will appear on desktop. Now you can open it like normal Windows app. You can enjoy your Google Photos directly from your desktop without going to browser. In future, you further no longer want this app, you can uninstall directly from here. It will be removed from your desktop. This trick will save you lots of time while accessing your Google Photos. So guys, thank you. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.